Yeah, we're out here at a 1980s property in DFW, and a couple things that you'll notice. A lot of open space here, so a lot of people will come in and do either like a pergola, playground, um, or they'll come in and just sort of maybe landscape it with some artificial turf, is what we've seen, just to give the community a place to gather. And when you're going around, some of these individual HVACs, you'll start budgeting those for replacement, just based on the age, and then some people will come in and actually cover those up with either some cedar plank or something just to give it a little bit cleaner look. And then on the interiors, I mean, you can see there's like a range of different curtains. So if you want to go with solar screens, especially more on the exterior of the property, this is more on the interior, but the exterior of the property, just to clean it up a little bit and give a more uniform look across the property.